Welcome to Better English Pronunciation.
Hey Mia, are you ready?
I think so, Leo.
Do you want coffee first?
Yes, please. I'm tired.
What do you usually drink?
Just a small latte, please.
Hot or iced today?
Let's go with iced.
Sugar or no sugar?
Actually, no sugar for me.
The line is quite short.
That's lucky for us.
Should I get a snack?
Well, we are eating later.
True, just the coffee then.
Perfect. I'll find a table.
Wait, I'll pay for it.
Are you sure about that?
Yes, it's my treat.
You are very kind, Leo.
Here is your drink, Mia.
Wow, that was really fast.
How is the taste?
It is perfect. Very cold.
Ready to hit the shops?
Yes, let's go upstairs first.
Is the clothing store there?
Yeah, right next to the gym.
I need a new jacket.
What color are you seeking?
Maybe something dark like navy.
Navy is a good choice.
Do you need anything today?
Maybe some new running shoes.
The shoe store is huge.
I know, it's almost scary.
Don't worry, I'll help you.
Thanks, you have good taste.
Let's finish the coffee first.
Okay, just 2 more sips.
Is it still too hot?
No, it's actually quite cool.
I see the elevator over there.
Is it working today?
Yes, the door's just opened.
Great, let's head over now.
Check your bag for your wallet.
It's right here, don't worry.
Good, I forgot mine once.
Really? That's so funny.
It wasn't funny at the time.
I bet it was awkward.
It was very awkward, Mia.
Well, we are safe now.
The elevator is here.
After you, Mr. Leo.
Thank you. Floor 2?
Yes, floor 2, please.
Here we go.
Shopping starts now.
Look at these jackets, Mia.
Oh, they look very warm.
Is this one too big?
Try it on and see.
It feels a bit heavy.
Well, winter is coming soon.
I like the black one.
The style is very cool.
Is the price okay?
Check the tag inside here.
It says $50.
That's a very good deal.
Wait, is it on sale?
Actually, I think it is.
Where is the red sign?
It's right above your head.
20% off today.
That is even better.
Do you like the pockets?
Yes, they are very deep.
I can put my phone here.
It looks safe in there.
Is the zipper working?
Let's see. Yes, it's fine.
What about the sleeves?
They are a little long.
Is that a problem?
No, you can fold them.
Should I look for smaller?
Maybe try a small size.
I only see large ones.
Let's ask the shop worker.
I'm a bit shy, Mia.
Don't be. They're nice.
Okay, you ask him then.
Fine, I will do it.
Excuse me, sir?
He is busy right now.
Wait, he is coming over.
Good. Ask about the small.
He says they are out.
Oh, that is too bad.
Is the medium okay?
It looks okay on you.
Really? You're not lying?
No, I promise. It's nice.
I will take it then.
Wait, check for holes first.
Everything looks clean to me.
Check the back too, Leo.
The back is perfect.
Okay, put it in here.
I'll carry it for now.
Are you buying it now?
No, I want jeans too.
Okay, jeans are over there.
This store is very big.
I told you, keep walking.
There are so many jeans.
Which style do you like?
I like the slim fit.
Those are over here, Leo.
Are these two blue?
No, they are classic blue.
What is my waist size?
I think you're a 30.
Let me check the label.
This one says 32.
That might be too loose.
Well, you can use a belt.
I don't like wearing belts.
Then find a 30 then.
Is this a dark wash?
Yes, it looks very smart.
Will they shrink in water?
Most jeans shrink a little.
Maybe I should get bigger?
No, they will stretch too.
This is very confusing, Mia.
Just pick 2 to try.
Okay, the light and dark.
Good choice. Grab them.
Are these jeans expensive?
They are $40 today.
That's not too bad, right?
It's a very fair price.
Look, they have ripped ones.
Do you like that style?
My mom hates ripped jeans.
Well, you are wearing them.
True, I'll stick to normal.
Good. Normal is safer.
Where are the fitting rooms?
I think they are back there.
I see a long line.
Oh no, we must wait.
How many people are waiting?
Only 3 people, I think.
That's not too long, actually.
We can talk while waiting.
Did you see those shoes?
Which ones? The red ones?
No, the white sneakers.
They would look good, Leo.
Maybe after the jeans.
Focus, Leo. Jeans first.
Okay, I'm focused.
Look, it's your turn now.
Wish me luck with these.
You don't need luck, silly.
I'll be out in a minute.
Take your time, Leo.
Don't leave without me.
I'm right here. Go ahead.
See you in a bit.
I'll be waiting right here.
What do you think, Mia?
The shirt is too small.
Really? It feels okay.
The buttons look very tight.
You're right. It's pulling here.
Try the larger size, Leo.
I didn't bring it in.
I can go get it.
Would you? Thanks so much.
No problem. Just 1 second.
How about the jeans now?
Wait, let me see them.
Are they too long?
Just a little bit, maybe.
I can cuff the bottom.
Yes, that looks very trendy.
Do they look good behind?
Yes, they fit you well.
I'm back with the shirt.
Great, pass it to me.
Here you go. Try this.
This one feels much better.
Is the color okay now?
The green matches your eyes.
I thought my eyes were brown.
Well, the shirt is nice.
Is it too expensive, Mia?
It is only $20.
I will keep this one.
What about the blue pants?
I don't like the pockets.
They are a bit strange.
I'll put them back then.
Good idea. Keep the jeans.
I'm coming out now.
Okay, I'm waiting right here.
Did I leave my phone?
No, it's in your hand.
Oh, I'm so clumsy today.
Maybe you need more coffee.
I have plenty of energy.
Let's go find the shoes.
Wait, I need a mirror.
There is a big one.
I look like a model.
Don't be so silly, Leo.
I'm joking, of course.
You do look very sharp.
Sharp? What does that mean?
It means you look good.
Thanks, Mia. You are helpful.
That is what friends do. Are you buying that sweater? No, it's too itchy, actually. Itchy? That's not good. No, I'll find another one. Let's put these things away. Give them to the worker.
Which ones do you like?
These white ones are nice.
They look very comfortable, Mia.
Try them on for size.
What size are you anyway?
I am a size 9.
Is that US or UK?
In this mall, it's US.
These feel a bit tight.
Maybe you need a 10.
Let me walk in them.
Walk to that mirror there.
They squeak on the floor.
That's because they are new.
Are they good for running?
They look like fashion shoes.
I don't run much anyway.
Then they are perfect, Leo.
Look at the price tag.
$80? That is high.
Is there a cheaper pair?
Look at the bottom shelf.
These are only $40.
But they are bright orange.
I don't like orange shoes.
Me neither. Stick to white.
Can I get a discount?
You can ask the clerk.
They never give discounts here.
Well, it never hurts to ask.
Look, they have a sale.
Buy one, get one half off.
Do you want new shoes?
Actually, I do need some.
Then let's share the deal.
That's a great idea, Leo.
Pick your favorite pair, Mia.
I like these black boots.
Are they half price now?
Yes, if you buy yours.
Okay, it's a deal then.
We are very good shoppers.
My feet feel tired now.
We have walked a lot.
How many stores are left?
Just one more, for socks.
Socks? Really? Now?
Yes, my socks have holes.
Okay, but let's be quick.
I promise, 5 minutes only.
The clerk is looking here.
Go pay for the shoes.
Do I need the box?
It's easier to carry without.
I'll keep the box though.
Okay, put it in a bag.
The bag is very large.
It's okay, I'll help you.
Thanks, you're the best, Mia.
I know. Let's go pay.
Is this the right line?
Yes, for credit cards only.
I have cash. Is that okay?
You must use the other.
Wait, the sign changed now.
Oh, they accept cash here.
Hello, just these things, please.
Did you find everything today?
Yes, thank you very much.
Do you have a card?
A store card? No thanks.
You can save 10%.
Not today, I'm in a rush.
That's fine, no problem, sir.
How much is the total?
$112.
Is the tax included yet?
No, taxes added now.
Why is it more expensive?
Tax is always extra here.
I forgot about the tax.
It's okay, it's not much.
Do you want a bag?
Yes, please, a large one.
Bags cost 10 cents each, sir.
That's fine, here's money.
Wait, I have my own bag.
Oh, use hers instead then.
Okay, I'll put it in.
Would you like the receipt?
Yes, in the bag, please.
Can I return these later?
Yes, within 30 days, sir.
Keep the receipt for that.
I'll keep it in my wallet.
Good idea, don't lose it.
Are we finished now, Leo?
Yes, let's go, Mia.
Wait, did you pay already?
Yes, I just swiped.
Did the machine beep twice?
Yes, it means it worked.
Have a nice day, sir.
You too, see you later.
That was very easy, right?
The clerk was very nice.
Now I am really hungry.
Me too, let's find food.
Is the food court near?
It's just down the hall.
I want a big burger.
I prefer a salad though.
A salad after all shopping?
Yes, I'm trying to be healthy.
Well, you are very disciplined.
I try my best, Leo.
I'm getting the fries too.
Okay, but don't be slow.
Finally, we can sit down.
My feet are killing me.
Look at all our bags.
We bought a lot today.
Did you spend too much?
A little, but it's okay.
This burger is so good.
My salad is very fresh.
Do you want a fry?
Maybe just one. Thank you.
The mall is getting crowded.
Yes, it is Saturday afternoon.
I'm glad we came early.
Me too. It's too busy.
Is your drink cold enough?
Yes, it has lots of ice.
What was your favorite store?
I like the shoe store.
The one with the music?
Yes, the music was cool.
I like the jacket store.
You look good in denim.
Thanks. I feel very stylish.
You are a new man.
Should we come back tomorrow?
No way, I need rest.
I'm just joking, Mia.
I know, you're always joking.
What time is it now?
It is almost 4 o'clock.
The movie starts at 5.
Wait, we are seeing a movie?
I thought we planned it.
Oh, I completely forgot, Leo.
Is that a problem, Mia?
No, I love the cinema.
Let's finish our lunch then.
I'm eating as fast as I can.
Don't choke on your salad.
I'm fine, don't worry, Leo.
Where's the theater located?
On the very top floor.
Should we take the stairs?
No, let's take the escalator.
The bags are quite heavy.
I'll carry the big one.
No, it's okay, I got it.
Are you sure? It's huge.
I am very strong, Mia.
Okay, I believe you.
Look, there is our bus.
No, the bus is later.
Oh, right, we are walking.
Walking? To the top floor?
I mean, walking to the cinema.
You are very confused, Leo.
It has been a long day.
A very good day, though.
Yes, let's go watch a movie.
Lead the way, my friend.